Picture yourself in the 2022 Ram 1500. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Ram 1500 strikes the perfect balance between tough strength and passenger comfort. Its fuel efficiency, impressive towing capacity, and safety features make it your go-to vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, remote engine start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, aluminum wheels. Don't do the job unless you can do it right. Drive the truck that has the capability you need. The Ram 1500.